Never buckle me. Put it to die.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I apply this UPart wig. So this wig is from a local hair company called MANTRENDTT, and this is their deep curly UPart wig in the length 14 inches. So here I'm just moving on to cutting off the lace, which is where my hair is going to be left out to blend with the wig.
Honey, yeah. Why you give me some love tonight? Let me go up in your belly tonight. Empire boss, I walk tonight. Me why you up in my belly tonight? Me why you give me some love tonight?
Baby, you know me I feel like it. The way you ride on the cookie like a cyclist. The way you grip your pussy, you're the tightest. How we go hold that night on the weekend. Me say she look up like a treasure chest. Right there on the...
Right, so the wig has 3 combs and it also has 2 of these elastic things in the back, which will help secure it well on your head. So now to prepare my hair for the wig, I'm going to be removing this durag, coming out my little bit
Come in the room and don't play shy. I want you till I die. Girl, you know that I never lie. All I do is try. The way you amaze me, the way you drive me crazy. That's why me want you to be me on a lady. Under the sheet, she ball out, baby. Grip me so tight and want me to blaze it.
And then for the leave out, I'm going to be doing a kind of triangular parting.
Why you give me some love tonight? Let me go up in your belly tonight. Empire boss, I walk tonight. Me why you up in my belly tonight? Me why you give me some love tonight? Long time mama wire. Hop on my phone, me ignore you. Over and over. Text and you call, but me always shut you down. Now my love flow over. Can't help myself 'cause I need you by my side. Been a frightened for ask you. Feeling my heart make me want dash.
Coming out my room, boy, take it off. Me say teabag style, boy, suck it off. In my room, no light, things right, pussy tight, exploding on my pussy like a dynamite.
And I'm just going to pin that out of the way while I braid up the rest of my hair.
Yeah. Why you give me some love tonight? Let me go up in your belly tonight.
So for the braids, I want to be doing 2 small braids on either sides of the leave out, which this is what the 2 combs on the wigs are going to be holding on to. So you want these 2 braids that's going to really help them to be secure.
Make me wheel and turn you on the edge of the bed, then have no way for you run go. The more me stab it out, the more she comes. So some me beat up the pussy like the base of the Congo. Looking at me face with those flirty eyes, sweet lips, cute face with your curvy thighs. Region not just a pre, just forget inside. No baby comes out the love for the rough rider.
She want me. Deep throat, other day done like. Honey, yeah. Why you give me some love tonight? Let me go up in your belly tonight. Empire boss, I walk tonight. Me why you up in my belly tonight? Me why you give me some love tonight?
Baby, you know me I feel like it. The way you ride on the...
For the rest of my hair, I'm just gonna do some really big braids going back. These doesn't necessarily have to be neat. The most important ones are the 2 small braids at the base of the leave out.
Nevertheless, me shop up, can't stop the progress.
She want me. Deep throat, other day done like. Honey, yeah. Why you give me some love tonight? Let me go up in your belly tonight. Empire boss, I walk tonight. Me why you up in my belly tonight? Me why you give me some love tonight?
Come in the room and don't play shy. I want you till I die. Girl, you know that I never lie. All I do is try. The way you amaze me, The way you drive me crazy, that's why me want you to be me own a lady. Under the sheet, she ball out, baby. Grip me so tight and want me to blaze it.
I'm going to be doing a little edges on my hairline. For that, I'm using the Got To Be Glue gel in the yellow packaging.
Empire boss, I walk tonight.
Me why you up in my belly tonight. Me why you give me some love tonight. Long time I'm a wire. Pop on my phone, me ignore you. Over and over. Text and you call me always.
And I'm going to use an edge brush to swoop them.
Been a frightened for ask you. Feeling my heart make me want dash. Coming on my room, boy, take it off. Me say teabag style, boy, suck it off. In my room, no light, things right, pussy type, exploding on my pussy like a dynamite.
She want me, she want me. Deep throat, other day done like.
My honey, yeah. Boy, you give me some love tonight.
Let me go up in your belly tonight. Empire boss, I walk tonight.
Me why you up in my belly tonight. Me why you give me some love tonight.
Never bug me.
Okay, so now moving on to applying the wig. I'm just going to be first applying the elastic band thing in the back, and then I'm going to attach the 3 combs, starting with the one in the middle and then the 2 at the front.
Sweet lips, cute face with your curvy thighs. Region I just a pre, just forget inside. No baby comes out the love for the rough rider.
She want me, she want me. Deep throat, other day done like.
Honey, yeah. Why you give me some love tonight?
Let me go up in your belly tonight. Empire boss, I walk tonight.
Me why you up in my belly tonight. Me why you give me.
So now that the wig is on, we're going to move on to defining the curls, and for that all I use is water in a spray bottle and a large tooth comb.
She say clean, say hair a blessing. Nevertheless, me shop up, can't stop the progress.
She want me, she want me. Deep throat, other day done like.
Honey, yeah. Why you give me some love tonight?
Let me go up in your belly tonight. Empire boss, I walk tonight.
Me why you up in my belly tonight? Me why you give me some love tonight?
Come in the room and don't play shy. I want you till I die. Girl, you know that I never lie. All I do is try. The way you amaze me, the way you drive me crazy. That's why me want you to be me own a lady. Under the sheet, she ball out, baby. Grip me so tight and want me to blaze it.
She want me, she want me. Deep throat, other day done like.
My honey, yeah. Why you give me some love tonight?
Let me go up in your belly tonight. Empire boss, I walk tonight.
Me why you up in my belly tonight? Me why you give me some love tonight? Long time I'm a wire. Pop on my phone, me ignore you. Over and over. Text and you call, but me always shut you down. Now my love flow over. Can't help myself 'cause I need you by my side. Been a frightened for ask you.
Now moving on, I'm going to be blending my leave out to the best of my ability. My hair is short and straight, so it takes a bit of a time, but I'm just gonna comb it into the weave itself using a smaller tooth comb. And I'm also going to be spraying some water onto the hair now, which would help it blend better with the weave.
Up in my belly tonight. Me why you give me some love tonight?
Never bug me. Put it to die. Empire.
Settle long, no make
Okay, so that's it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumb up, comment down below, share, subscribe. When you subscribe, please turn on your post notifications so that you won't miss any future videos. Also follow me on Instagram. The link to that will be down in the description bar. And also please check out MANTRENDTT if you guys are interested in this hair or any other hair that they may have. The links will also be down in the description box. So thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you all in the next video.